more video now on the effects from what was Hurricane Ian. Look at this pier collapse that took place in South Carolina. Just really stunning.
Yeah, so this is a portion of the Cherry Grove Pier in Myrtle Beach. The pier was unable to stand up to the powerful storm surge from Ian. I know a number of you visit Myrtle Beach. Well, it was built in the 1950s. The pier was again remodeled in 1999 after it was hit by Hurricane Floyd. So Peyton, my goodness, people in the Carolinas and Florida really dealing with the aftermath of Ian.
Really dealing with the aftermath, and this is going to be something that they're dealing with for years to come, unfortunately, especially those folks down in the Sunshine State.